Hi, I'm back and I'm doing something, and it's a challenge called the ammo box challenge. So if you don't know what that is, it's basically where, like, let's say you get the first ammo box. Like, you can't shoot someone until you open the first ammo box, and the ammo from that, you can only use guns that take up that ammo. So, like, let's say I get rocket and AR. I can only use things that take up rocket ammo and AR ammo. So I have never gotten shotgun so far.
Yeah, no.
If I don't get shotgun this game, we might as well just back out. Like, what is my bloom? Bro, I'm 20 meters away from this kid and I'm not zooming in none of the shots.
Let's not go first.
Okay. I don't know if it's worth it going lazy though. Cause like if we just farm all game and then we're gonna die in end game. Like if you think about it, it's gonna be boring if we farm all game and then we just die the first time we see people.
What do you mean?
So we're gonna be looting all game and farming all game. But like then the one time we're gonna see people, we're gonna die. Okay, I know where I'm landing because I know that there's an ammo box there. So, no one land with me.
I'm landing at the top of the roof. You know that place with the wooden roof?
Yeah.
That's where I'm landing.
Along blue.
I think there's an ammo box inside that roof.
There is.
I'm just gonna wait until I find a.
And everybody say which ammo they got.
I just did.
No, don't wait until you find a big one. That's kind of cheating.
You already did. Just look down.
Wait, did you find a big one?
No.
Let's go! AR and shotgun! AR and shotgun, let's go! There's another ammo box here, but I got AR and shotgun. Let's go!
I got shotgun and sniper. You have to consider.
Let's go! Bro, you got shotgun at least, okay? Just be happy about the shotgun.
I'm so mad. Actually, because the ammo box there was an ammo box right behind me, and I went for the one in front of me, and guess what was inside that one?
What?
Shotgun and AR.
I mean, you got a shotgun still. I mean, it's better than nothing. It's not like me. It's not like last time or one of the last times when I got only heavy ammo.
You have to look what I just found. I just found a legendary legendary ammo crate.
Legendary ammo crate. What's a legendary?
For me, I haven't found.
Wait, what was in there? What's a legendary ammo crate, Jafet?
There was.
You mean a legendary scar?
And
Yeah, but you marked. Oh, you said no. You said you found a rare chest, and then you opened a legendary ammo crate.
Ammo crate, yeah.
Was there one inside the rare chest?
Ammo boxes, but I'm just not.
I'm so mad at you.
Just give me a slurpfish. I found 5 floppers.
I found a big one.
Okay, let's go. Oh, there's more floppers right there.
Oh yes, I got.
Hey, we could.
AR, shotgun, light, and heavy for my big one.
Wait, so was that your first one?
Yeah,
I found another legendary ammo crate.
I'd seen small ones, but I just didn't go for them because I didn't want to. Like I said,
That's cheating.
no, it's not because it's the first one you open, not the first one you see.
Okay, let's see.
Fine.
Small, shotgun.
Come on, just
AR.
give me.
I don't find
An
anything.
entire loadout right
What do you guys have? What do you guys
Let's
have?
go! Shotgun and AR, shotgun
Let's
and
go,
AR. I got
Jose.
shotgun and AR, guys.
Oh, I
Wait.
have a shotgun.
So all of us have shotguns.
Yeah.
Well, that means that this is
I have the
100%
worst
my
round
last
ever.
game.
I'm probably
No,
gonna
you
die
don't.
first.
Don't make me rage at you guys, okay? As much as I still want to yell at you guys, I'm not.
Because all I have is a shotgun, and there are no snipers.
What do you mean all you
So
have
really,
is a
all I have
shotgun,
is a great
Jafet?
pump.
Jafet, what do you mean all you have is a shotgun?
See, all I
Stop
have is a
complaining about getting a shotgun, Jafet. Think about
I
it.
keep opening all these ammo crates.
If it was, Jafet, if it was anyone to get the worst loadout, I'm pretty sure you might have been our first pick. I'm just kidding. I'm sorry.
Huh? I have 57 shotgun ammo.
That's 24. Becky, back at it
Oh
again.
my god. Look what I just found. But I can't use it.
Oh, last game there was a
Wow.
golden one. Last game
Wait,
there was a
what's
golden
that?
one that I found after killing someone.
Oh
I'm
wow.
actually so mad because I really the only weapon I
Stop
can use is
being
shotgun.
mad, Jafet. Stop being
Guys, can
mad.
you guys come to Misty with me so I can get a sniper?
Like how many times have oh there's not people. I tried marking something, but marking is
Can you guys come to
broken.
Misty with me so we can get a so I
Yeah.
can get a sniper?
No.
Thank you. Thank you.
Jafet, you don't hit those. That is a controller. Guys, there's people on me.
I'm coming.
Why are you guys over there?
There is?
There actually is. No cap, man.
Really?
Oh, you're there.
Roll my kill like that?
Wow,
Thank
Matthew.
you.
The vet.
Jafet, how'd you get, is there people on
I
you?
told you
You never said there's people on you.
Viewers really need your sniper. Oh, actually, I need sniper too.
I'm coming to get my sniper.
I'm
So I'm
coming
about to
to
die.
help you.
Jafet, you've never
Actually.
said there's people on you, but also there's people on us.
Come help me, Jose.
People on us is more
Please
important.
stop. Oh.
It's his teammate. He's bad, he's bad, he's bad. Honestly, just spray him. He's shooting with the
I'm
shotgun.
gonna help Different.
He's really low, really low. He's 40 HP. Okay.
This time I stole your kill.
You have aim assist, I don't.
No,
Bro, oh my gosh.
They're
What
all
is
over
this?
me.
Whoa there, Jafet.
What, henchman?
No!
Bye, Jafet.
You
You died to a
henchman?
henchman.
Yes, because I only have a shotgun.
Bro, zoom in on their head, shoot it, and then build a wall.
I did, but there's 4 of them all in one place with ARs. I can't do it.
Did any of you guys get rocket ammo?
Do you have a tech or a pump?
I have a pump. A gray one at that.
Bro, how many tacks have I marked?
No.
Before you moved, I marked like 3 tacks and 2 pumps.
Recipe.
Okay, so what I can do
But they were so low.
so I can actually take a sniper because of the big one. Yeah?
Oh, 40 white, 40
Don't
white.
kill all of them.
60, 60, 60 white. On that far kid.
Thank you. It's so annoying, actually.
I'm so glad I have an AR over a burst.
Nice, nice. And we have to
So
go to
many
the-
henchmen.
Bro, I actually lasered,
No.
like, the first shot accuracy. That's why it's better than the burst.
Thank you.
No, we have to push them. Use the zip line.
Oh, can you get 2 snipers for me? Because I need 1.
You don't
Then
need
take
one,
me
you
somewhere
want
nice.
Yeah, no, because I got a
Oh,
big
that's
one.
pretty
And also,
nice.
like, honestly, I got the big one, which gave me the. I don't need this. I can have
My heals are good. I've
AR,
2 minis and
shotgun,
4
SMG,
floppers.
and sniper.
How much you want to bet someone built the thingy-mabobber?
I'm so mad.
Nothing, because they didn't.
Because I wasted all my mats on those henchmen.
Hey, Jose, I'm closer to you now.
Something called
If
fun
you
in
see
Japan.
people,
Oh.
one of them I hit
can't
60
clutch
white.
up.
Oh, right here.
Oh, right there, right there.
Headshot. Let's go. It was that kid. I don't know why I made that noise. Okay, I need
No,
his
you
AR
guys
ammo.
don't- You guys don't want to know what my layout is. Like, it's pretty trash.
There's another kid.
Oh, I see him. Got him. 2 headshots. 2
My
headshots.
I'm
armor.
running.
My loot, my loot.
Jose, that will actually look
Maybe
nice.
My loot, my loot, my loot. Give me that AR ammo.
Is
My
that a
loot.
blue pump?
Yeah, I
No,
dropped
I
mine.
have a legendary tag.
No, I was gonna eat J Dash. No.
You were going to eat G dash? Wow.
Oh,
You said you're gonna eat J dash. You're gonna
No,
eat
eat
him?
J Dash.
you said you
Wow.
were gonna eat my
I got you,
dad?
Jafet. What's the point of building a... Do you have heals?
Yes.
Well, then why'd you still build a box?
I need a
there?
big pot or something, or minis.
Oh, I have minis, but
Okay,
you don't.
give me one.
And I have 3 medkits.
Give me 2 minis.
I have 2 minis. But Jafet always dies. He doesn't use them, so I'll keep them. I'm good.
Like
You scared me, Jafet.
There's people near you guys.
Shooting something?
Hey, everybody just stick together and push towards them. Like, go near, or go, don't push all the way. Okay, now I'm coming.
Wait, someone on you, Matthew?
No, there's people on them. They were shooting over there.
No.
Oh, there's henchmen then.
There's a decoy. It was a decoy. The fact you had decoy.
leave my decoy alone, man.
Bleepo.
There's probably kids in wailing. Or, no, weeping. Weeping, yeah, weeping. R.I.P. wailing.
I already finished that sound.
R.I.P. Wailing Woods.
Oh, I need to
Jafet,
finish
did you
that
even
challenge.
play during that time?
I'm
Jafet,
dropping
when
my
did you start playing? Jafet, are you dumb? Are you dumb? There's a
I
chest
got
right
a green tag. I
here.
got a green tag.
Should we give it to Jafet? Nah.
Yes.
What is it?
Oh, never mind. It doesn't
People-
matter.
Damn.
Oh
To your
my, no.
left. To your left.
It has 2,000 health.
Behind you, behind you.
Someone help Jose.
They're actually building. They're actually builders.
Jose, I'm coming. Build in a box. Don't fight them. If we're not there, then don't fight them. Alright, now you can fight.
Guys, I need to get out of here.
I'm spraying. Shoot it out. Shoot it out. Right here. Don't shoot. Right here. Cracked him? Wait, did he?
No, give me the big pot.
Take the mini. Okay. Take minis.
I can't take the
and then a
minis.
big pot.
Took both.
Oh my god.
And I have no mats.
Alright.
Well,
Don't
you're gonna
complain
die.
about that. We're in the woods. So don't complain about that. Jafet, do you even have a shotgun right now?
Do I have what?
A shotgun?
Yes, I have a shotgun.
Yummy. Yummy.
Yeah, you got the yummy,
Copyright.
Does
Yeah.
anyone have a launch pad? Does anyone have a launch pad?
I do.
Jose doesn't have anything but 2 weapons.
Yes.
That's what I
Use your launch
got.
pad. Matthew, can you use your launch pad?
Maybe.
Please.
No, don't. You can just use this.
Yeah, I don't think it's worth
You know
it.
where the zone is?
Yeah, Zone barely outruns us. The current's going our way. Literally, I stopped to
Oh
get
my god,
minis and then
copyright.
yeah,
Copyright.
yeah. I mean, I'm pretty sure they won't copyright a YouTuber with 15 subscribers,
They're not gonna
but
copyright.
yeah, I have 15 subscribers.
With only 13 followers.
I'm not 11, and I have 15 subscribers, not followers.
Oh!
Why does it say I'm in the storm? Bro, it says I'm in the storm run, but I'm not taking damage. Jose, look at your shield. You never asked if anyone had minis or a big pot.
No, because the guy just cheated.
I'm so weak. No one chose to help me. Thanks, man.
You're not. Oh, you're welcome.
Sorry, it was
You're the
sarcasm.
slowest. You're the slowest.
And I have barely any builds.
Okay, Drama Queen, I will give you a flopper.
I have 7 builds.
I gave you a flopper. Stop complaining.
You gave me 1 flopper.
Yeah, would I give you my whole stack if you only need 50?
that.
Jafet, you needed 50 HP to get to max.
And you take the apple, so I can't be out. So I'm at 99 HP.
Same.
Thanks, Matthew.
I'm at 99 also. Oh, you're welcome, Jafet.
I'm at 99 HP because of you.
Guys, we could actually win this. Jose, do you need my minis?
You want me to give you a med kit?
Yes.
Jose, do you need my minis?
And I have no builds.
Jose, do you need my minis?
No. Can I have it? Can I have it?
Yes. You have to ask. Jose, you have to ask to.
That one kid that has no builds.
Oh, look at this. Look what I found.
That one kid who does.
That one something called farming.
That one kid who says
because
he
I
has
used up
no
all my
build.
materials, because guess what? I wanted to go get myself a sniper, and you know what happened? You wanna me what happened?
You died.
They just break some trees.
Ooh.
I can take that. I can take that. I can
No,
take
that's
that.
mine. That's mine.
Jafet, haven't you
got
been
it.
breaking trees?
No, I haven't. because
What's
I
the
died.
point? What's the point of marking it if you're gonna take it?
I was trying to say here.
Guys, there's people north.
It looks like you're not even holding
No, I
anything.
dropped it. I dropped all of it. And like, it was actually from the start of the game.
Kids.
No, stay in this bush. Everybody camp in this bush.
Yes, this is.
If we're going to win, we're going to win it right. Don't do that. Guys, if we're gonna win, we're gonna win right. So, if you don't hit those, then don't shoot Jafet. Jafet, what are you doing? Don't
Jafet, you're gonna break it.
Yeah, Jafet. Shh. Okay, everybody stop moving. Pull out the weapon if there's people near us that you're gonna shoot with. So everybody pull out your shotgun and stay in a position. Make sure you can see outside. Are you Jafet?
Jafet.
Yes.
Stop.
Okay, I'll stop. I will stop. I
Drop the
promise.
sniper.
I don't like your skin. You don't get to go through. I'm gonna kill
Drop
you.
the sniper.
The fashion show. Jose,
I'm
let
a-
me see that back bling. You
I'm
have
a-
none. Let me see that pickaxe. Let me see that pickaxe.
Hey, I have minty. I
I'll
have
let it pass,
minty.
I'll let it
I have
pass.
minty. I have minty.
But that back bling, that doesn't make any sense.
Okay.
Look
Why?
at mine.
Well, I hope you know I'm recording
that's-
and you're judging a
Mine
girl
actually
skin.
matches.
He's judging a
It
girl
actually
skin.
looks like you have no money.
What about me?
Excuse me?
Oh yeah. You're using a battle pass.
That wasn't me.
You're using a battle pass skin, Jafet.
Why is this at 20 also?
They're fighting. Follow me. Everybody, come over here. Come over here.
What are you
It's the
talking
last
about?
two
This looks so
squads.
sick. I'm like,
The last two
that isn't- that
squads.
isn't. Rotate quickly.
To get that skin, you would have to spend
The last two
$10.
squads are fighting. Shoot him, Jafet. Jafet. 26 white. 26 white.
$9.50.
On the cat. 26. I can't mark his builds.
There's a guy with the boom bow to your left,
Guys, right
Jose.
here. Bro, the kid in the
No, I
box.
said to your
The kid in the
left.
box I hit for 26 white.
He's behind a tree. Okay.
Guys, shoot.
Jafet's sniping at him.
Shoot at people. I hit a kid for 26 white and I marked him. Yeah. Nice.
Here's the boom bow. Get the boom bow.
No one had rockets. You can't. No one had rockets here.
No, the Boombo uses
Okay, you can have the window. You can have the
The Boombo uses shotgun ammo.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah,
It
but it's
reloads.
limited.
It doesn't use.
It
ammo at
reloads.
all.
Yes, it does.
It doesn't. It doesn't. It
It
doesn't.
just gives
They
you
changed
time.
it.
does.
It changed it. Right here. On me, 1 HP.
Okay.
He's really low. He's really low. That banner skin's really low. 36 white. Bro, everybody shoot the banner kid. He's so low. I hit him for 50 white. On me. I'm dead. Guys, help. Help me. Guys, help.
I'm right behind you.
Guys, help.
I got
Oh
one,
my
I got
god.
one
Oh my god.
I got a
I'm
knock,
healing.
I got a knock.
Build for me. I was 4 HP and I one-tacked him. Wait, two people left.
You got this.
And then it all comes up to me, and then
Yeah, it came up to. Wait, one of them's right next to us. Literally right next to us. I lasered him.
Let's go. Hello, guys.
Oh my god, I lasered him.
my little brother.
Bro, I hit 2 headshots and a body shot on that kid.
Did your
That
little brother drowned?
was the most unexpected one.
I dropped you one day. Okay, go back to lobby.
That was a
Cock
good
block.
joke. Brother.
Wait, Matthew, are you gonna leave?
So
Yeah.
guys, we just got another victory.
What was
video.
that?
And I used the boom bow and got no kills with it. Yay.
Bro, the boombo doesn't take shotgun ammo.
And Jafet used his $10 skin.
No ammo.
They changed it.
$10.
It's $9.
It's $9.50.
It was in the last battle pass.
Jafet, get a rare skin.
Well, that's the
I
video.
I
The ammo
just
box
started
challenge.
earning money on the game, Victor.
We spent 1 day on it.
I have rare emotes and rare sprays. Like Victor. Okay. Wait, am I party leader?
Okay, we spent 1 day on it, and
Let's see.
I'm glad that we finally got it done. after the 1 day. But that's the ammo box challenge. The one time I get a shotgun is the time we win, and I literally called it. But please make sure you like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.